Okay, now as you can see here, this is my small Epson 2720 printer that I very first started off with when I first started doing sublimation. Okay, so this printer here is great for creating your images for your tumblers. And you can even do kid shirts, whatnot with it. If you don't want to upgrade to the Epson 1500, you can still utilize the smaller printer here to be able to do larger prints. And I will show you how to do that inside of another video. Okay, but to go ahead and get started and filling my Epson 2720, as you can see, I already have ink in, but I do need to add more black because I do use a lot of black when I go to print. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull this flap down here. Okay, and as you can see that I have pulled my flap down, and then we have the black, the yellow, the magenta, and the cyan. Okay, let me zoom in just in case you guys can't see that, so that way you guys can see. Okay, so now that you see that, what you're going to do is lift up your flaps. Okay, and this is the same thing you're going to do when you go to set up your printer. You want to put in your ink before you cut on your printer, so when you do cut on your printer, it can be able to run the ink through the print lines. Okay, so as you can see, I have all my flaps here. Now when you go to fill, please keep whatever ones you're not going to fill down. Make sure you take your ink, as you can see here, which is black, and you want to make sure that you match it up here with your black. I'm just going to go ahead and remove my lid. And I'm just going to add the rest of my black in here because I need my black. I just turn it upside down, set it right on top. And with the grooves that is inside of the ink mouth part here, it fits perfectly inside of your Epson, so you don't have to worry about fumbling with syringes or anything like that. This is the reason why I like having the Epson Eco Tank printer. Okay, so now, as you can see here, this is the spouse that I am talking of, as you can see, and that fits perfectly inside of here where it has the exact same markings. Okay, and that's how you would fill your Eco Tank printer, and you want to do that with each color. I'm going to go ahead.